Hey everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we are fixing the issue where your Instagram application keeps crashing right after you updated the app. So you can just go over and follow up the solutions to fix it. So first of all, long press on the Instagram application and head over to the app info. And once you do so, you can look out for the force stop option in the bottom right corner and select that option right there. And then confirm it up, tap on OK. And you can remove the Instagram application from your recent application once you do so. So just go over and do so. And after you do so, once you remove your Instagram application from the recent application, that should clear the current buggy session from the last or latest update. Also restart your phone. So hold the power button for that and look out for the restart option and tap on it. And after you do so, you can refresh the system and remove the temporary update box causing the crash that is happening. Also update your Instagram app, go to Play Store for that, and go to the search. And you can search for the Insta here. So search for Instagram and tap on it and look out for the update if there is any kind of update available for the following app and install it immediately. Also clear the cache for Android, so you can close this up and hold the Instagram application and go to the info. Once you go to the info, you can go to the storage section. So scroll down, find the storage and tap on it. After you do so, look out for the clear cache option. That is one of the most common fixes for crashes after the updates. And if updated, you can just go over and wait for some few seconds. That should also do it. Also have enough storage on your device for the following application to run smoothly on your device. And that's it. These solutions will help you fix Instagram crashing after updates on your devices. So if yours is still crashing, you can just go over and comment it down below. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.